Meaning of folk song.
Folk song.
Folk song.
Folk song.
Folk song. A folk song is a traditional form of music that has been passed down through generations within a particular cultural or regional group. Folk songs often reflect the history, customs, values, and daily life of the people who created them. They are usually simple in structure and lyrics, with melodies that are easy to remember and sing. Many famous folk songs have become cultural treasures and are enjoyed around the world. Overall, folk songs are an important part of human heritage and continue to be cherished and celebrated today.